Hey folks, I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and I've got a question for you today. Does your bacon curl up when you're frying it? Well, today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon without it curling up. Now we've got our cast iron skillet here. I'm just going to lay this in the skillet and put about 3 pieces in this little 10-inch skillet. And we're going to let it begin to cook. Now I've got my cast iron skillet on medium-high heat here. You could go just a little higher, but you don't have to go a whole lot more. And we'll let this begin to fry, and I'm going to show you how to keep this from curling up. Okay, well, as you can see, as our bacon begins to fry in the cast iron skillet, you can see how it's starting to curl up here. And one way to remedy this is to take and use a grill press, just like we did with our smash burger video, and you've seen that. So anyway, we want to show you how to just lay this in here on top of your bacon, and that is heavy enough to weight it down where it will stay flat in the cast iron skillet, and it will allow it to cook and fry without being curled up on the ends and on the edges, because when it curls up, then it's not completely cooked, so you might have bacon that's a little more fattier than you like and has not been cooked or rendered down. So just take your grill press and just lay it on your bacon like that and allow it to mash it down flat, and you're able to cook it. But you got to monitor it and make sure you don't burn your bacon, because bacon generally it has sugar in it, and so it can burn if you allow it to stay too hot too long in the cast iron skillet. So be sure and watch your bacon as it's cooking and make sure it doesn't do that. But this eliminates a grill press like this. Burger press allows you to keep your ends from curling up and the center from curling up. As you can see here, how this is all flat now, and see how that's kind of brown looking right there. What that is, that's the sugar that's rendering out of the fat. You can see it already starting to curl up again once I take the grill pan or grill press away. So just lay your grill press on there, allow your bacon to cook, and then when you're ready to turn it, all you got to do is just take your bacon press off and just take your spatula and just roll your bacon over like that right there, and then come right back in with your bacon or your grill press and lay it on your bacon, and you can keep it flat and allow it to cook and be flat and not wrinkled up and curled up. Well, we've got our bacon finished, and it's been frying in the cast iron skillet, and you can see how this is laid flat and cooked. Every bit of the fat rendered the fat down. There's a little bit of curl right there, but not bad. But anyway, we just wanted to show you how to fry bacon and cook bacon in a cast iron skillet without it curling up on you. And so we hope you appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Take and check this video out right here, because it was made specifically for you. And we'll see you later. It's Mr. Cast Iron and Mrs. Cast Iron. Have a great day, y'all.